Yo, bro, this beat hard. When'd you make this? Yo, you like this? I coded this, bro. What you mean you coded this? Coated in some sauce? Cause this beat got that drip, boy. No, bro. Like, I computer programmed this. You what? What you mean you computer programmed this? Bro, just get me in the booth. Yo, what's going on? This is MJ. Most of y'all know me for rapping. My alias MJX Music. It's beast mode, mother lover, rockin' street clothes. But what most of y'all don't know is what I do between 9 and 5. I've been working in technology for about the past 3 to 4 years now, and I really enjoy what I do.
Well, this ain't gonna be about getting coffee and running errands for people.
This coffee is really good. So today I'm gonna do something I've always thought about doing but never tried doing, producing my first hip-hop instrumental through coding and rapping over it. So before we actually dive into the coding, one thing I want to break down is how you traditionally make a hip-hop instrumental. First step, you would open up a digital audio workstation, something like Logic Pro X, which is what I personally prefer, and then from there you choose your instruments and then you show the actual virtual keyboard. I use a virtual keyboard paired with my physical Magic keyboard, so it's literally a computer keyboard, but you got the ability to use things like MIDI keyboards, actual keyboards, as long as it's got the right plugins and things like that. And then from there, you really just get started with playing the music. Obviously, there's a lot more flexibility when you're playing with the keys and really getting a feel and getting the emotions in there. But for the purposes of this, what I'm experimenting with is taking the same exact process and programming it. All right, so for this, I'm using an application called Sonic Pi. It's an application for coding music. So I'm going to go ahead and just get started. So shout out to Angelic Vibes, by the way, for the most dope sound kit I've ever used. It's free, so check them out. So anyways, to get started, the first step you want to do is understand the BPM that you are going to be using for your instrumental. I know mine's going to be 130 beats per minute because I've already gone through the loops and I found the one that I like. So first up, let's import these sounds. This is literally the same step as you would do if you're importing a VST into a DAW. And producers, you know what I'm talking about. We got the BPM, we got the sounds imported. Now let's actually play something back. So in order to do that, we're gonna go live loop. Check this out, we're gonna play it back. Hey. All right, next up, we're gonna do what are we going to do? We're going to throw in the kicks. All right, so anytime we're making an instrumental, melodies sometimes go first, kicks sometimes go first. I like doing the melodies first, then throwing in the kicks. So the way that I'm going to do it here is going to sound like a techno type beat, but let's play it back. Oh my God, this end. All right, computer programming right there, 101. Oh, hey, whoa. Whoa, all right, this is not the beat we're going for unless we're in the dance club. So we're gonna slow this down a little bit. And the way that I like it, I like to have a hit, sleep for 5 seconds, a hit again, sleep for 3 seconds. So it sounds something like, hey, yeah, woo. All right, now we're gonna move on to the snares. The snares are arguably one of the most important things in a hip hop track, so you know we gotta throw those in here. Then from there we end it. So hopefully this one goes through. Let's see. Hey, yeah, yo. Hey, there it is. Literally the same exact way. We want to sync our hats. So check this out. Woo! Hey, what? And now our final step. Oh my God, my mouse died. Last thing we're gonna do is drop that 808 on them. So when you're done, when you do all of these different steps, this is what a hip-hop produced instrumental from programming should sound like. Growing up with nothing, so I'm working till I'm something. Never had no money, so I didn't need a budget. Ask me about my music every day, I said I love it. Nothing was important, I put nothing else above it. taking all this anger and I put it in the lyrics. Speak about my living so my little brothers hear it. Just go and chase your dreams, don't you ever go and fear it. Be true to who you are, don't you stress about appearance. Been working on this rapping, but I gotta be a boss. Been working for this music while my spirit pays the cost. I've broken down this half of me, the one that make my salary. Suppressed it, then I choked it, then I burned it like a calorie. Boy, I'm back to working, you can see me in the factory. Bars are getting sweeter, I got Charlie coming after me. Charging for my passions, but the talent don't need batteries. So when I see my trophies, got another in the gallery. Ooh, we making waves and doing things they can never do. I'm seeing checks I couldn't recognize because they grew. The clock is ticking and it's time to bring some better news. No more holding back this vision, time to let it loose. Time to let it loose, time to let it loose. No more holding back this vision, time to let it loose. Hey, what you think about that, bro? Yeah, so don't quit your day job. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making this. This was my first time ever programming a hip-hop instrumental. So I wanted to say, number one, I definitely believe in multiple ways of creating music. So this is just something that was just a lot of fun. But number two, working in technology as a day job, I see how technology and programming affects other industries. And I think it's up to people like us to understand how music can benefit from the evolving technology industry and things like that. So yeah, if you're interested in dabbling around, feel free to check out the description of this video. I am going to throw in the steps to reproduce exactly what I did. If you like this video, please throw a thumbs up, number one, and number two, hit that subscribe button.